I was known in Grand Prairie for running from the police. Like I had a whole thing saying I don't stop for cops. I was in Grand Prairie one day. I seen a cop coming out. I saw him make a U-turn. I said, nope, not today. My dumb ass. I'm going past a red light. Didn't look at all. I see a car. I'm like, well, bike starts sliding. And then the car stopped. I'm like, okay, definitely it. Hit the car, woke up in the hospital. Don't know what the fuck happened.
You don't remember nothing. That's the last thing you
Nothing.
remember.
I woke up and was like, damn, that's a crazy ass dream. I'm like,
And then that shit really like happened to
I
you.
try to move my arm. My shit handcuffed to the bed. I said, damn.
You was handcuffed,
Bro,
in the hospital?
custody. Yeah.
Oh
Face
shit.
fucked
Because
up.
he fled.
Yeah.
I flew.
Damn. That shit.